Hello, it's Hoover 4000, and I'm going to do a tour of our hotel room. And I'm going to do it quick because I don't want to anybody come out of the room and see me recording myself. There's Mom.
Hi.
Hi. Up the stairs. Probably should have done this after I got up because it takes me a while to get upstairs, if you can imagine that. Whew. I'm so.
Oh, there.
What bunk?
Have fun in your touristy.
It's not very good lighting in here. Well, living room, how cute.
That's weird. Third gallon, $3 $3.50. The half gallon are 99 cents a piece.
Full kitchen. There's my brother.
Where?
Hey, Mama. Hi. You're so cute. Here's my mama and nice. Here's my mama's nice bed. It's really comfy. There's a bed on the couch, but it's not as comfy, and so I told Mom she could just go ahead and stay with me. Oh, a little desk. If I had a laptop, that'd be really great. Closet. And here's a bathroom. It's not really a big deal. Woo! Here. Yep. Are you having a good time in Nebraska? Nebraska?
Still haven't found no people that talk like Abby yet.
Nebraska?
I've been trying.
The waitress at Village Inn kind of did.
Kinda.
But she didn't say orange.
Yeah,
so.
she didn't say orange.
Orange. Pimp. You liar. You lied to us.
Liar! There's only one Abby.
What's up?
Good.
The boy's dungeon. Go up to her house. Oh, good. That's a little area. I'm a little scared to look in the bathroom. Oh, it actually smells good. It actually smells good, imagine that. Hello. Ooh. Hello. Oh, Willie's bed.
Work's wrong here. Meeting's over. Come on, Uncle. Walk you out. Actually, there's another reason you might want to reconsider.
Willie's a big old smoker, and he likes to watch TV as he smokes, so.
So I stick my head out the window. Head.
So he sticks his head out the window, and it's just like, and he shuts his head in the window, and he's all, technically I'm outside.
I'm outside, see?
How can you watch TV anyway? If your head's out the window, he's like, I can watch TV between puffs.
Yeah.
Like, what a bumhole. Sorry, that was a little Torsky.
November 13th, 1999, Key West. Real estate billionaire Sonny Hernandez. I blew up his yacht. Made it look like a fuel leak.
No. It's like the fourth time I've almost fell.
Going down the steps?
Yeah. Remember. Let's buy it. Yeah. Watch today. Are you having fun in Nebraska?
Yeah.
Yeah. Willie actually drove the entire way. 12 hours she drove the entire way. So I'm gonna go for now so I can charge up my camera for the concert. I'm excited. I'm excited. Are you excited?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Him little foot. I just wish Terry could have come to the trip with us. I know she'll be watching this eventually, so I miss you, Terry. It's not the same without you. Don't have anybody to entertain us.
I'll bet you all the black guys up there.
Shut up, bunghole. You miss Terry, Mama? On the trip?
Yep, I did.
Yeah, you could always just cut out all the parts of the video.
Do you miss Terry on the trip?
Yeah. I miss her random comments.
Yeah. Seriously, I don't have anybody to entertain me. Oh. Wee. But I hope you feel better. And I'll record later. Hopefully I can get some good footage. Okay.
Terry pussed out.
Okay.
Yeah. Terry pussed out.
Shut up, bunghole.